Now next example of ledger, suppose we are going to operate the ledger of bank. So if we are going to operate the ledger of bank, then we will write bank account over here, bank account. Format will be same format, ledger format for all ledger format is same. Technique of posting is also same. If you understand perfectly the posting of one ledger, then you can do the posting of the another ledger, because same technique is applied in the posting of other ledger as well. Same technique is applied. So I am going to operate suppose I am going to operate the ledger of bank. I have written some transactions related to bank. First transaction on March 1st. Suppose the year is 2020 is the year, March 1st. Bank account debit, cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to sales account. This is the first transaction. Second transaction on March 1st, bank account debit to bank loan. Then 15th, bank account land and building. I have written in short, land and building account debit, motor car account debit to bank account. Land and building 2 lakhs, motor car 2 lakhs to bank account. Then on 21st, salary account debit, wages account debit to bank account. Then on March 31st, purchase account debit to bank account, to cash account, to discount receipt to Mohan. Okay. Then on March 31st, bank account debit to commission account. In credit side, obviously it's a commission received, to rent received. Commission received is 10, rent received is 5, total 15. Suppose these are the transactions which are related to bank. I am going to do the posting of in this ledger of bank. So same thing will be applied. So see the transaction, see the posting very carefully and try to understand it once again. So date is what? March 1st. So first transaction, bank is on which side? Bank is on debit. So which side will post in the ledger of bank? Bank in this transactions, in the journal, first journal, bank is on debit. These three account is on debit. I am going to operate which account? I am going to operate bank account. So my entire focus will be on bank. So bank is on debit in this transaction. So in the bank ledger, we will post in the debit side. Okay, debit side. First we will write the month, year and month, March 1st. Now here in the debit side we start with 2. So opposite side of bank is which account? Which account is in the opposite side of bank? Opposite side, bank is in debit. Opposite side means if bank is in debit, then opposite means credit side. Credit side is which account? Sales account. So we will write sales account. We will write sales account. Now come to the amount. Which amount we will write? This amount or sales account amount? We will write the amount of bank, because we are operating which account? We are operating bank account. So we will write the bank, 5,50,000. 5,50,000. Is it clear? 5,50,000. We will write this figure, not this figure. This 5,80,000 include these two also. And my focus is on bank. So I will write the bank amount. Now come to second, March 5. Bank is on debit. So we will do the posting in the debit side. First we will write the date, March 5, 2, like this. Again we will write it 2. Okay. So in the opposite side of bank is which ledger? Which account? Bank loan account is in the opposite side of bank is bank loan account. How much it is? Amount 60. We will write the 60 over here, 60,000 over here. Okay. Now next transaction. Bank is on which side? Credit. So we will do the posting in the credit side. We do the posting in the credit side because bank is on credit. In the journal, bank account is on credit side, is in the credit side. So first we will write the March 15 by, start with by, and if the bank is in credit, so opposite side of bank is two account, land and building account and another is motor car account. So land and building is 2 lakhs. You see, land and building 2 lakh and motor car 2 lakh. Total I have written 4 lakhs because bank is on credit 4 lakhs. Bank is on credit 4 lakh. This credit 4 lakhs comprises land and building 2 lakhs and motor car 2 lakhs. Total is 4 lakhs. That's why I have written both the account 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs so that it will be 4 lakhs. Now come to the next. Bank is on credit. So write the date March 21st. March 21st in the credit side. In the opposite of credit, debit in debit, by salary, by wages. Start with by. So salary is 60 and wages is 30. Total is how much? 90. Bank is 90. So 90 have written 90. This 90 comprises 30 of salary and 60 salary and 30,000 wages. Total 90. So I have written by salary 60 and by wages 30. Total it all automatically it become 90. Now next transaction, bank is on credit. Here you see the bank is on credit. So in the credit side I will write by. Which account I will write? Bank is on credit. Opposite side is which account? Purchase. By purchase. Which amount I will write? This amount or this amount? We will write this amount because this amount comprises cash, discount and Mohan both. I have to write 20 only. So 20,000, only 20,000. By purchase, opposite of bank. Bank is on credit. So opposite side means debit side which account? Purchase account. By purchase. And which amount we will write? This amount 1 lakh or 20? We will write 20,000. Okay, 20,000. Next, bank is on debit. Here see bank is on debit. So March 31st we will do the posting in the debit side. Start with 2. Commission. Opposite of bank is the 2 account, commission and rent received. Yes, rent received. Commission is 10,000. And rent received is 5. Total 15. So I have posted 15,000 in the debit side. Commission 10 and rent 5. Total 15. So I have written 15, but commission 10 and rent received is 5. So both account I have written in the debit side. Now the same thing we'll do it. We'll see which side is more and which side is less. We do the total. This side total is more. So this side total, we do the total of this side first. 5, 2, 6 lakhs 25,000. Same figure we will write it over here, 6 lakh 25. Same figure I am writing over here. Now I find out the difference. For finding the difference, I do the total of this side 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 lakh 10. So difference amount I am going to write on at the end of the month, March 31st, balance carried down. So difference amount is 0, 0, 0, 5, 1, 1, 1 lakh 15. Means what I have done, to 6 lakh 25 minus 5 lakh 10. So difference is how much? Difference is 1 lakh 15. This is the balance. This balance will be brought down in the next month, first day of the next month, to balance brought down. This balance will be brought down in the next month, 1,15,000. 1,15,000. So if you know the posting of one particular account, the same method is applied in the posting of every account. So ledger is quite simple. You prepare the ledger of each and every account. Prepare the ledger of each and every account. Okay, ledger of each and every account. Is it clear? Each and every account. You prepare the ledger of each and every account and find out the balance. At the end of the financial year, what we do? We find out the balance. Balance will be, if there in real account, all assets comes under real account. Real account, all assets comes under real account, all assets. So if there will be a balance, assets have always the debit balance. Assets have always the debit balance, or maybe sometimes no balance. So this balance will be carried down and brought down. Carried down and brought down. Real account. Okay. Same with the personal account. If there is a balance, personal account balance may be the debit balance, or maybe the credit balance, or maybe no balance. Maybe no balance. If there will be a balance, then that balance will be carried down and brought down. That balance will be carried down and brought down. Okay. Similarly, nominal account. In nominal account, all expenses come under nominal account. All expenses and all incomes and gains. All incomes and gains. Yes, all incomes and gains come. All expenses and losses. So this account balance at the end of the financial year is not carried down or brought down. The balance will be transferred to balance transferred to either trading account or profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Okay, the balance will be transferred to trading account or profit and loss account. This balance is not carried down and brought down. From this balance of nominal account, we prepare the income statement. Okay, income statement is prepared from the balance of nominal account, trading and profit and loss account. And from these two accounts, we prepare balance sheet, positional statement. Balance sheet means positional statement. From these two, personal account and real account, we prepare balance sheet, and we find out if there is a difference, then this balance will be carried down and brought down to the next year. Similarly with the personal account, if there will be balance, then that balance will be carried down and brought down, and from that balance we prepare the balance sheet. But whereas the nominal account is concerned, nominal account balance is not carried down and brought down. That balance is transferred to trading account or profit and loss account, and through this balance we prepare income statement, means trading account and profit and loss account. Trading account and profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is prepared from the balance of this. Okay, and but this is from this balance we prepare balance sheet and that is your positional statement. So we prepare the ledger of each and every ledger. We prepare the ledger of each and every account. Okay, each and every. For instance, we will prepare the ledger of purchase ledger, purchase account, sales account. All the information of sales will be over here. Purchase return account, sales return account, okay, sales return account, stock account, your, if you see the expenses, salary and wages account, salary and wages account, advertisement account, each and every ledger which is in your business. While recording the transaction, if any such new name has come, then we prepare the ledger. Advertisement account, postage account, stationery account, bad dates account, bad dates recovered account, okay, charity account, donation account, traveling expenses account, traveling expenses account, every account, land and building account, plant and machinery account, your daters, maybe the X, maybe Y, all the daters ledger will be prepared, ledger of daters, ledger of all daters, ledger of all creditors will be prepared, all creditors ledger will be prepared, okay, investment, ledger of investment, ledger of your cash, ledger of bank account, carriage inward, carriage inward, carriage outward, outward, bank loan, ledger of bank loan, if is there bank loan, ledger of depreciation, means we prepare the ledger account of each and every item, so that if you prepare the ledger of depreciation, so all information of depreciation will be under this ledger. If you prepare the ledger, we are preparing the ledger of salary and wages, then all information of salary and wages will be at one place. Purchase return information will be at one place, land and building information will be at one place, bad debts recovered will be at one place, okay, bills receivable, bills payable, bills payable, okay. Then motor car, ledger of motor car, ledger of investment, investment I have already written, short term securities, short term marketable securities, if any. So we prepare the ledger of each and every individual account, and the information related to that will be shown at one particular place, and thereafter we will find out the balance of that ledger at the end of the financial year. As I told you that the real account and personal account balance will be carried down and brought down, but nominal account balance is not carried down and brought down. Nominal account balance will be transferred to trading account and profit and loss account, means it is transferred to income statement, and real account and personal account balance, if any, will be from that balance we prepare the balance sheet, okay, that is carried down and brought down for the next financial year. But nominal account balance is not brought down for the next financial year, it is closed. These ledgers are closed finally by way of transferring to trading and profit and loss account. So is it clear? So you may prepare the ledger of any ledger can be prepared easily by you. You can operate the ledger of any, okay. Now I am giving you one question, and in this question we will prepare the three ledger. We will prepare the three ledger of cash, bank and purchase. So see the question. In the first transaction is called opening entry. So in this opening entry, cash account is debit. So in the cash account, debit side we will write year 2020, date is April 1st. This entry is called opening entry. And opening entry information we will write like this. In the debit side we will write to balance brought down. This is the balance of the last year. So cash balance of the last year is 15,000. Similarly, bank balance is also given in the first entry, April 1st. Bank is on debit. So debit side you write April 1st to balance brought down. These are the opening balance, and which is brought down in this financial year. This balance is brought down. So it is 5,000. Okay. Now the next transaction, purchase, April 2nd, purchase account debit to cash account to discount receipt to Kailash. So in purchase account, we will write in 2020, April 2nd, start with 2, cash to discount received to Kailash. So purchase is 18,000. So debit side of purchase account, purchase is on debit side. What we write in the account which is mentioned in the opposite side, that is credit side. So credit side, there are the three items. 10,584 is the cash, 2,216 is discount, and Kailash account is 7,200. The total is 18,000. I have written 18,000, which is debit. Purchase is debit. In the same transaction, cash is on credit. So in the credit side, cash is on credit on April 2nd. Buy. Start with buy. So opposite side of cash is purchase. We have to write purchase. Okay. So we'll write the amount of cash, not the amount of purchase. 10,584. 10,584 in the cash ledger. We'll do the posting in the credit side and write the account, name of the account, which is just opposite of cash, that is purchase. But we write the amount of, not the write the amount of purchase, but we write the amount of cash, because we are operating ledger of cash. Next entry, there is not related to cash, these three ledger. April 5, cash is on debit. So debit side we will write April 5 to Axe account. The debit side, Axe is, we have to write the cash amount 14,800, not the amount of Axe. Cash is on debit, so debit side April 5, what we write just opposite of cash is which account? Axe account. But we will write the amount of cash, not Axe. Now the April 2nd cash is on credit. So credit side, April 6, we will write opposite side is bank. Opposite side of cash is which account? Bank account. Cash is on credit, opposite side on debit is bank. So we will write bank account. Cash account, credit side, start with the buy, opposite side account is bank, and the amount is 10,000. In the ledger of bank, in the same transaction, bank account debit, so we'll write in the debit side 2. What we'll write? Which is written in the credit to cash account, 10,000. This posting is done in the cash ledger credit side, bank ledger debit side. Next is in April 2nd, April 8, bank is on debit, April 8. So debit side, we have to write the opposite account is Y's account. And it is, bank amount is 7,850. We will write the amount of bank, not the amount of Y. Next is on April 12, bank is again debit, April 12, bank is again debit. So debit side we will write check in hand, check in hand. Opposite side account name is check in hand, 2000. The next entry is April 15, bank is on credit. So in the credit side we will write bank is on credit. So credit side we will write April 15. What we will write? Start with the by. Credit side, opposite account is Y's account, and we will write the amount of bank 7,850. 7,850. Is it clear? So these are the posting I have done it. So you do the posting like this, and thereafter we will find out the balance. Thereafter we will find out the balance. For instance, the cash balance, if you see the balance of cash, so total of this side is 29,800. 29,800. Difference, you will find out the difference. Okay. So difference is will be balance carried down at the end of the month April 30. 6,1,2,9. Okay, and this will be brought down in May 1st. This balance will be brought down. Balance brought down 9,216. This balance will be brought down. Okay, so do the total of this side. 0, 5, 8, 4, 2, 24,850. Then we'll find out the balance over here, balance CD on last date of the month. Okay, 24,850. So difference amount is 17,000. This will be brought down. Similarly with the purchase. Okay, similarly with the purchase. There. So similarly we do with the purchase. Okay, so the laser, what we operate, laser will be operated in the same manner. If you know the operating of laser of one laser, we know the basic things, then the same will be applied in the posting of the another laser. Okay.